I made $350 today. Okay, this hardly seems like a proper headline to entice people to day trade, I know. I guess a proper headline to entice people to open my email would have been more like I made $3,500 or $35,000 today. Sounds much better, doesn't it? However, what I'm trying to do is show you that regular folks can earn extra money by trading just an hour each morning. School teachers on summer break, which we've got them in the room. Retired people, we've got them. We've even got a minor league baseball player in there. Construction guys on a rainy day, etc. You get it. We're not a trading room full of Wall Street prop firm guys. Don't mean to give off that impression if you've seen any of our videos. Most of us just work together to quietly pull our little piece of the pie from the market each day. Now back to that $350 gain. Why is that significant? Well, it's because I did an experiment this morning, and I told everybody before the market opened I was going to. And I laid out the exact parameters I was going to use. And I wanted to show newer members that you don't have to trade big to make some decent money trading. So everybody knew if I called a trade, I was taking 500 shares max today, or exactly 500 shares. And I told them all how I was going to do it. I only ended up taking 2 trades, both in the morning, both before the afternoon doldrums kick in, especially in August. August trading can be horrendously boring at times. So anyway, I took 2 trades, both called live on the microphone in the chat room, and I typed them out as well. So here they are. Francesca Holdings, F-R-A-N. These are 5-minute candles I'm showing you here, and you can see where the buy and the sell was, 500 shares. I think I made about 250 on that, about 50 cents in about 20 or 30 minutes, something like that. And then Peabody Energy, you can see the buy and the sell there as well. I got a little bit, right about 20 cents there, 500 shares, so another 100. So it ended up between the 2 trades, 350. Again, that's not normally what you'd expect to see in an email from a day trader. You'd expect much bigger numbers. But the point of it was just to show people that you don't have to bet the farm to pull money from the market. I always have my line in the sand in case they don't go my way. Wasn't gonna lose a little bit more than 100 on each trade, worst case scenario. A lot of new traders think that all day traders are buying thousands of shares and risking big money. Now, I usually do trade bigger than the 500 shares, but I thought it would be a worthwhile experiment in case anyone in our chat room is trading too big and getting hurt. I thought it was a good demonstration to show them that you don't need to. All right. So if you use proper position size, you're going to quickly learn that trading doesn't have to be stressful. And as a matter of fact, proper trading is less stressful because you're not betting the farm. Okay. If your palms are sweating when you take an entry, or your hands are shaking, your heart's racing, I always tell people, or my favorite line is, if you find yourself talking to God after taking an entry, you're trading too big. Okay, so cut those position size down, and then you can actually make trading fun without the unnecessary stress. So how are we different in our chat room? We have a teamwork-oriented group that works together to alert each other when a possible trade is setting up. You should see it. If a stock suddenly moves on big volume, there's usually 2 or 3 of us, not just one of us, to type it in the room about 10 seconds after the volume pop starts. So we have guys scanning all day long. Of course, the teamwork isn't mandated. It's just something the group's morphed into over the years. Instead of that dog-eat-dog trading world that everybody pictures, we stand out as an oasis in that world. We truly are a team. So keep an eye out for our August weekend specials. Take advantage of one and give our trading family a try. I hope to see you in chat.